Meanwhile, Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim is appealing to those visiting the city's cemeteries to cooperate with authorities to ensure an orderly and peaceful observance of All Saints and All Souls Day. At the same time, he commended the Manila Police and MMDA for the orderly and smooth flow of vehicular traffic near cemeteries. Noel Perfecto reports.
Manila Mayor Fred Lim personally inspected the 4 big cemeteries in the city to ensure that quality public service is being extended to the people who will visit the graves of their departed loved ones. The mayor first visited North Cemetery, one of the big public cemeteries in the city.
Hindi. Nag-meeting nga kami dito para paghandaan itong pagdalaw ng mga milyon-milyon na mga tao dito para dalawin ang kanilang minamahal sa buhay. Mga 700 na officers and men na Manila Police Department ay tatalaga dito sa 4 na sementeryo. La Loma, Cementerio del Norte, South Cemetery at Chinese Cemetery. Itong mga nakikita nyo, ang daming mga uniformadong pulis para walang magulo at yung mga dadalaw ay kami nakikiusap, wag na magdala ng alak dito. Wag na kayo mag-iinuman dito, no? Galang natin ang pagpunta dito sa sementeryo, sagrado kasi ito eh.
The mayor noticed the flow of traffic, which for the first time was very smooth, thanks to the traffic enforcers from the MMDA and the Manila Police District.
Hindi pwedeng parang switch eh, yung off and on. Pag inutusan natin, lilinisin. Pag na isang araw, 2 araw, balik na naman. Sabi ko, kinakailangan permanente. Kung alisin nyo yung mga sagabal, mga obstruction, mga terminal ng jeep, o yung mga tricycle, yan ang nagiging dahilan ng traffic jam.
Colonel Reynaldo Nava deployed more than 100 Manila traffic police in and around the North Cemetery alone to ensure a smooth flow of traffic.
Sana yung ating mga kababayan ay wag na siguro magdala ng sasakyan. Kung meron na silang madadala, hindi nila maiwasan, ay paradalihan po ng maayos kasi po ay papanatilihin natin na maganda yung daloy sa ating routing at mapipilitan po kami hatakin yung mga pamarada po ng hindi sa tamang lugar.
Also noticeable was the new equipment of the MMDA for the enforcement of traffic laws in the city. Because of this, Lim reminded all people who will trip to the cemeteries tomorrow to follow the orders of the authorities to maintain peace and order in the cemeteries in the city of Manila.
Magbigayan tayo, irespeto natin ang karapatan na iba para maging maayos ang ating pagbibigay halaga dito sa pagdalaw sa mga nakahimlay dito.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.